Let us see the structures of biomolecules, that is glucose, alpha D glucose and beta D glucose. They are closed chain structure. You see this structure, this is D glucose. This D glucose, it shows the ring chain tautomerase or ring chain isomerase. It has its two structure. One it is closed chain structure. When this OH attack to this carbonyl, इस पर कार्बोनाइल पर अटैक करेगा तो ये फ्रंट बैक से अटैक करेगा. दिस इज sp2. फ्रंट बैक से करेगा तो इसकी दोनों कॉन्फ़िगरेशन आ जाएंगी R एंड S. सपोज दिस इज नंबर ऑफ कार्बन, दैट इज 1. इनकी नंबरिंग कर लेते हैं 1 2 3 4 5 6. फिफ्थ नंबर पर जो OH है, ये जब वो कार्बोनाइल पर अटैक करेगा देन इट पिकअप द इलेक्ट्रॉन. ओ नेगेटिव प्रोटॉन ट्रांसफर. तो स्ट्रक्चर क्या बनेगी? एक स्ट्रक्चर तो ये बनेगी, दैट इज this is called alpha D glucose. Another structure at first carbon, this is suppose configuration, just opposite configuration because both configuration we obtain, it attacks front and back. So दूसरी configuration OH H H OH OH H this is beta D glucose. This is alpha D glucose, this is beta D glucose. See in this case, they are different at one chiral center, having same open chain carbohydrate. They are the ring chain tautomer to open chain, and these two, alpha D glucose and beta D glucose, they are different at one chiral center, means in configuration. ऐसे कार्बोहाइड्रेट, ऐसे साइक्लिक कार्बोहाइड्रेट जो एक कार्बन पर अपोजिट कॉन्फ़िगरेशन हो, जिसके एक कार्बन पर अपोजिट कॉन्फ़िगरेशन हो और उनकी ओपन चेन स्ट्रक्चर सेम हो, ऐसे कार्बोहाइड्रेट को बोलते हैं एनोमर्स. एनोमर्स मीन्स साइक्लिक कार्बोहाइड्रेट, साइक्लिक carbohydrates which are different at one chiral center, which are different at one chiral center and having same open chain structure are known as anomers. इन दोनों की ओपन चेन स्ट्रक्चर सेम है, दोनों ही साइक्लिक है, इसी से ड्राइव हुए, सेम ओपन चेन स्ट्रक्चर से ड्राइव हुए, डी ग्लूकोज. एक में ये इस कार्बन नंबर 1 पर क्या है, ये कॉन्फ़िगरेशन अपोजिट है, इट इज द अपोजिट कॉन्फ़िगरेशन. अल्फा डी ग्लूकोज एंड बीटा डी ग्लूकोज, एग्जांपल अल्फा डी ग्लूकोज एंड बीटा डी ग्लूकोज आर ionomers. See, and term it is their meta rotation. This open and closed chain, if you see that angle of rotation, if we rotate the PPL, angle of rotation of open chain and angle of rotation of this, it is, if it is 100%, then it is 19 degree. This is beta D rotation. Here it is 112 degree. Alpha D glucose, specific rotation, angle of rotation, that is specific rotation. Here it is specific rotation of alpha D glucose, it is 112 and it's approximate 52.5 degree. When equilibrium is adjust, what actually happen? Either you introduce the beta D glucose into water or alpha D glucose into water. After some time, it exists in equilibrium. At equilibrium, the content it exists 63.8%, 0.2%, and it is 36%. At equilibrium, either you introduce this or introduce this or introduce this. After some time, active equilibrium adjust. तो जब इक्विलिब्रियम पर इनका ये परसेंटेज है तो जो मिक्सचर बना उसका स्पेसिफिक रोटेशन क्या होगा? दैट इज अल्फा मिक्सचर at equilibrium, alpha, that is specific rotation of mixture, specific rotation of mixture at equilibrium, that is 52.5 degrees. So ये जो वैल्यू है आपको समय बाद, सपोज आपने ये इसे इंट्रोड्यूस किया तो धीरे धीरे ये 19 से कहां तक आ जाएगी? 52.5 तक. ये वैल्यू सपोज इसे लिया 100%, इसे वाटर में इंट्रोड्यूस किया तो इक्विलिब्रियम जब एडजस्ट होगा तो ये वैल्यू यहां तक पहुंच जाएगी, ये वैल्यू यहां तक पहुंच जाएगी. यही जो चेंज है, चेंज इन एंगल ऑफ रोटेशन फ्रॉम इट्स स्पेसिफिक वैल्यू टू इक्विलिब्रियम वैल्यू इज नोन एज बीटा रोटेशन. बीटा रोटेशन क्या है? द चेंज इन एंगल ऑफ रोटेशन from its specific value to equilibrium value is known as beta rotation. स्पेसिफिक वैल्यू तो इक्विलिब्रियम वैल्यू इज नोन एज बीटा रोटेशन. कौन बीटा रोटेशन करेगा? अगर सपोज ये दे दिया आपको, क्या ये बीटा रोटेशन करेगा? यस, इसके पास दिस इज कॉल्ड एज एनोमेरिक OH. एनोमेरिक OH हेमीएसिटल ग्रुप है ये. दिस इज नथिंग, इट इज हेमीएसिटल. हेमीएसिटल में क्या होता है? एक OR, एक R, एक H और एक OH. तो ये क्या ओपन चेन में इंटरनल अटैक करके ओपन चेन में आ जाएगा, यानी कि ओपन चेन बना देगा. जो ओपन चेन बनाएगा वो बीटा रोटेशन शो करेगा और जो ओपन चेन में आ जाएगा वो हमारा फेरेंट टेस्ट भी देगा, टॉलरेंस टेस्ट भी देगा. जैसे टॉलरेंस टेस्ट की अगर हम बात करें तो गिव्स द टॉलरेंस टेस्ट बिकॉज इट कन्वर्ट इनटू एल्डिहाइड ग्रुप. ओपन चेन में आ जाएगा, हेमीएसिटल है, दैट इज हेमीएसिटल ग्रुप है ये. hemiacetal gives positive value form, gives positive tolerance or failing. तो we see that tolerance test कैसे पॉजिटिव टॉलरेंस टेस्ट देगा? बेसिक मीडियम में H निकाल कर ले जाएगा नेगेटिव, तो we see that tolerance test OH H CH2 OH. Basic medium, it remove the क्या बन जाएगा? O नेगेटिव H. Now it convert into internal attack. Now it convert into aldehyde. That is number 1, CHO aldehyde group. So this gives the positive test, tolerance test. Ammonical silver nitrate, ammonical AgNO3. It gives the positive test, that is silver mirror test. So if the compound which show the meter rotation can also show the test, positive test with tolerance test, positive tolerance test, or these type of sugar or carbohydrate which can reduce the tolerance reagent are known as reducing sugar. That is reducing sugar which can reduce the tolerance reagent. Reducing sugar which reduce the tolerance reagent, which gives positive tolerance test, which gives positive tolerance test. जो टॉलरेंस टेस्ट पॉजिटिव देंगे उनको क्या बोलेंगे? रिड्यूसिंग शुगर. तो हमारे जितने भी मोनोसैकेराइड हैं सभी रिड्यूसिंग शुगर हैं. आते हमारे फ्रक्टोज आल्सो इट इज रिड्यूसिंग शुगर, दो इट हैज कीटोन एज फंक्शनल ग्रुप, बट बेसिक मीडियम है कीटोन जो फंक्शनल टॉटोमराइज होकर कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा अल्फा डी ग्लूकोज एंड डी मैनोज एंड डी ग्लूकोज. इट विल कन्वर्ट इनटू डी ग्लूकोज एंड डी मैनोज व्हिच हैज द एल्डिहाइड फंक्शनल ग्रुप. So fructose also gives positive tolerance test, though it has the ketone functional group, but it tautomerize into D-glucose and D-mannose, and both have the aldehyde functional group. So fructose also gives positive tolerance test. Another one, oligosaccharides, that is disaccharides. Disaccharides are reducing sugar. Disaccharides except sucrose, because there is no anomeric OH. वो anomeric OH नहीं है, it will not convert into open chain structure, so sucrose meter rotation भी शो नहीं करेगा. No meter rotation, no reducing means it is non-reducing sugar. Again, polysaccharides they are non-reducing. Polysaccharides they are non-reducing sugar, like starch, glycogen, and cellulose. Some examples of carbohydrate: like maltose, it is disaccharide. First glucose we have done, second see the maltose, it is disaccharide. It has alpha D glucose plus alpha D glucose, alpha D glucose and alpha D glucose. alpha D glucose. Another alpha D glucose. This is also alpha D glucose. Both of these alpha D glucose they combine. It remove the H2 molecule and form the etheric bond. They remove the H2O. This type of bond it is between two carbohydrates. It is known as glycosidic bond or glycosidic linkage. Alpha D glycosidic bond oblique linkage. It is first carbon, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is 1,4 glycosidic linkage. 1,4 glycosidic linkage. Again, if we see that starch, this is disaccharide. Maltose is disaccharide. If we see the starch it is the polysaccharide of alpha D glucose. Again, alpha D plus alpha D, alpha D, alpha D, alpha D, alpha D. They are the, again, if we see that starch, see, this is polysaccharide. It is polysaccharide. And also that glycogen it is animal starch, oblique, and glycogen. That is also polysaccharide. Both have the same structure, but the difference is in its content. This is called animal starch. It is found in animals. Again, alpha D glucose, alpha D glucose. Alpha D glucose, alpha D glucose, alpha D glucose. Here it is etheric bond, H2O, it remove H2O, and here it form the etheric bond. Similarly, here it is also and so on. It is linear. Alpha D glucose, alpha D, that is 1,4 glycosidic linkage. It is present in glycogen and starch. It has two parts actually, that is amylose and amylopectin. Both having 1,4 glycosidic, that is branching can take place with third and sixth. It is linear polymer in amylose and amylopectin. In amylase and amylopectin, it is nothing, it is the part of our starch. Which is next, one more it is polysaccharide it is present, that is called as a cellulose, which is found in cell wall of plant cell. See the cellulose. Number 5. In cellulose it is present in cell wall, plant cell wall, found in plant cell wall. It is also polysaccharide, but here it is the units. It is not alpha D, it is beta D glucose. Beta D glucose, HOH. HOH. Beta D, this is beta D glucose. Beta D glucose, beta D glucose, beta D glucose. In case of this, again 1,4-glycosidic linkage. Here it is first and 4. So in beta D glucose it is, this is the glycosidic linkage. 1,4-alpha की जगह क्या होगा, 1,4-beta D glucose glycosidic bond. Similarly, H2O remove, H2O remove. This is the structure and dot dot dot. Cellulose is the polysaccharide and made up by beta D glucose plus beta D glucose, beta D glucose plus beta D glucose plus dot 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 plus beta D glucose and so on. That is monomer of cellulose, it is beta D glucose, 1,4-glycosidic linkage. Lactose, it is disaccharide. Number 6, found in milk, that is called as a milk sugar, lactose. It has beta D galactose and beta D glucose. This is disaccharide made up by beta D galactose and beta D glucose. See, beta D glucose, this is beta D glucose. This is beta D glucose. Another one it is beta D galactose. Galactose and glucose are C4 epimer. So C4 epimer of this, just reverse. Others are same. They are C4 epimer to each other. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now here it is also 1,4 glycosidic linkage. First of galactose, you can see that GAL, G-A-L, GLU, G-L-U. Alphabetically GAL it is first. G-L-U, G-A. Here it is A, here it is. So first you take the first carbon of GAL, galactose, and 4 carbon of GLU, glucose. If you see, it is the glycosidic linkage. So it is 1,4 beta D glycosidic linkage. This is called again 1,4 beta D glycosidic linkage. Or bond. See the fructose 7. Again from fifth it attack, it gives one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually it is furan-like structure, that is why it is called as furanose structure. Furanose structure. On the other hand, alpha D glucose it is, alpha D glucose, beta D glucose, alpha D glucose or beta D glucose. They are pyranose, pyran-like structure, that is cyclic structure, that is pyranose structure. Pyranose structure. See, this is alpha D fructose. Cyclic another it is possible. Here it is 1, 2. This is acetal. Can show the meter rotation. OH, H. This is anomeric carbon. Anomeric carbon. This is beta D fructose. So the meter rotation, and this also show the it can reduce the tolerance because it tautomerize into glucose and mannose. This is D fructose. the disaccharide of fructose and glucose, that is alpha D glucose and beta D fructose, that is called as sucrose. Sucrose, it is disaccharide. Sucrose, it is disaccharide. Fructose, it is monosaccharide, keto sugar. Sucrose, it is disaccharide. In which alpha D glucose and beta D fructose. Alpha D glucose plus beta D fructose. This is the alpha D glucose. Plus beta D fructose. See the beta D fructose. This is beta D fructose. You can just make it. It is 1,2-glycosidic linkage. First carbon of this and second carbon of fructose. So we can rotate this. We can take it like this. It goes opposite side. होगा क्या इसमें? हमने से रिवर्स कर लिया, तो जैसे हमने इसको अपोजिट किया इसका तो मिरर इमेज बन गया वो, तो उसकी सब कॉन्फ़िगरेशन क्या है, अप एंड डाउन, दैट इज 1 2, दिस इज 1 2 3 4 5 6. जैसे उसे रिवर्स कर लेंगे तो ये क्या आ जाएगा, CH2OH. कॉन्फ़िगरेशन भी सेम रहनी चाहिए, तो ये हमने इस तरीके से रिवर्स कर लिया और साथ ही साथ अप का डाउन और डाउन का अप कर दिया. ये नीचे कर लिया, इसे ऊपर कर लिया, क्योंकि जैसे हम इसे रिवर्स करेंगे इसकी कॉन्फ़िगरेशन R का S का R हो जाएगा. दैट इज OH. नंबर थर्ड, ये डाउन हो जाएगा, अप हो जाएगा, HOH4, OH एंड CH2OH, CH2OH एंड OH. 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is alpha D glucose and this is beta D glucose. See the, remove the H2O. This is sucrose. This is 1,2-glycosidic linkage. 1,2-glycosidic linkage. Beta D, alpha D glucose and beta D fructose. This is sucrose, which is disaccharide. And it is non-reducing sugar. Do not show the meter rotation. It is non-reducing. And do not show the, and does not show meter rotation. Meter rotation. Because it is not the anomeric OH, it is OR, so it will not open. It will not show the meter rotation. The specific rotation it is positive of sucrose, but when it is acidic hydrolysis, it converts into negative because beta D it is negative. So positive to negative on hydrolysis it converts into negative rotation. That is why it is also called as a invert sugar. And inversion of this rotation it is called as inversion of rotation, that is invert sugar, and conversion is known as inversion, invert sugar, because on a hydrolysis it gives negative rotation net resultant. Reactions of glucose. See, nickel H2, or when it reduces, first of all, the black phosphorus HI, it is strong reducing agent which can reduce the carbonyl into alkane, alcohol into alkane, alcohol into alkane. All it is reduced and it gives the normal hexane. When the reaction it is done with CS3CO Cl, acetylation, then there are 1, 2, 3, 5. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 OH it is there. So 5 molecule it react because OH it is from the ester, it attack, it pick up the electron, return करेगा, क्या होगा Cl बार, acetylation minus 5 mole of, जितने OH है उतने ये रिएक्ट कर जाएगा, क्या बन जाएगा देखो, इससे बनेगा CHO OCOCH3 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 CH2 OCO CH3 HHO COCH3 So there are 5 acetyl group. When one acetyl react with one OH, it is increased by 42 in molecular weight. So 42 into 5, 210, increased by 210 in, increased by 210 in molecular weight, that is AMU. Reaction with hydroxylamine, it gives the oxime, it is S28 remove. Suppose the reaction it is done with HCN, cyanohydrin is formed from the cyanohydrin, that is CnOHH, and this entire group, this is cyanohydrin. Reaction of LDR with HCN. Others remain as it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. CH2, OH, OH, OH. When the reaction it is with periodic cleavage, HiO4, it cleaves this one. It converts into formaldehyde. It is the cleavage. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. When it is cut, then it converts to formic acid, HCOOH, and it converts to aldehyde. Further it cut, it formic acid, aldehyde. Again it cut, formic acid, aldehyde. When it cut here, formic acid, aldehyde, and formic acid, aldehyde. So 5 mole of formic acid plus 1 mole of last one. When it cut, this aldehyde converts into formic acid and this aldehyde, HCHO. It oxidizes the bond in which, that is OH, it is there, carbonyl. It can cut, oxidize into corresponding carbonyl. If it is carbonyl and aldehyde, then it converts it into acid and it into carbonyl. So HiO4 it cleaves the CC bond and oxidize into corresponding next step. When the reaction it is done with again oxidation, with Br2 HOH, bringing water, it oxidizes CHO into corresponding acid OH, that is called as gluconic acid. CH2OH, 1, 2, 3, 4, CHOH, CHOH, and CH2OH, that is called as gluconic acid. And the reaction it is done with Tollens reagent, that is ammonical Tollens reagent with, that is ammonical silver nitrate, ammonical AgNO3. It is nothing, it is NH4OH with AgNO3. It oxidizes the aldehyde into corresponding acid and it gives the ammonium salt, that is COONH4, ammonium salt of gluconic acid, that is salt of gluconic acid. OH, 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 salt of, if it is Fehling, with Fehling solution, it gives sodium salt. That is salt of acid. When it is oxidized with HNO3, butyl-saccharic acid, oxidation, it oxidizes both the terminal carbon into corresponding acid. This is called saccharic acid. Other important reaction, reaction with phenyl from the phenyl that is osazone, that is, or formation of osazone, or formation of osazone. In addition of carbonyl, this glucose it is done. With phenyl 3 mole of phenyl are used. This is phenyl PH, NH, NH2. It remove aniline, it gives phenyl C double bond. This is called as osazone. See the mechanism. If suppose we take this one as R, we accept this is R part. So we are using first phenyl form the phenyl phenyl जब रिएक्ट करेगा तो इससे क्या बनेगा, फिनाइल हाइड्रोजन माइनस H2O, it automerize. And it gives this automerize imine, it convert into imamine like structure. Next it remove the aniline minus CHNS2 and convert into CH double bond NH, C double bond O, or again 2 mole of phenyl NH2NH, PH, NH2NH, pH, it remove ammonia. Similar, like reaction of carbonyl with ammonia derivative minus ammonia. Minus H2O. One mole of H2O to remove here also. It gives CH double bond NH, C double bond NH. Again R part, this R, OH, 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 CH2, OH. And this is oxazone. Fructose and D-mannose, D-fructose and D-mannose also gives the same oxazone. Note, D-fructose and D-mannose gives the same oxazone. Gives the same oxazone. Another thing, it is 3 mole of phenyl hydrazine it is used. 3 mole of phenyl hydrazine is used. First mole here, another 2 mole it is at this position. Fermentation. Glucose or fructose. Glucose or fructose with Zymase enzyme, in presence of Zymase enzyme. This Zymase enzyme, it is present in yeast, kavak. It gives glucose, it gives ethanol CH3 CH2OH plus CO2. It is called as incomplete oxidation of carbohydrate. This is nothing, it is incomplete oxidation of carbohydrate, incomplete oxidation. Base catalyzed isomerase, last. Isomerization or isomerase. On this D-glucose, presence of base, it take the proton, it form the enol, that is suppose this is R part, It is in all. This in all, it may tautomerize into keto, that is D-mannose or D-glucose or D-fructose. This is D-glucose, another one it is. When it tautomerize again, it may be possible that we obtain CHO, it is HOH, or this is D-mannose, or it is similar. And also it tautomerize into, when it tautomerize with this one, then it comes into CH2. They exist in equilibrium, that is D-fructose. So in basic medium, D-fructose, D-mannose and D-glucose they interconvert. That is D-glucose, D-mannose and D-fructose. They isomerize into each other. That is why fructose gives the positive. So fructose gives the positive tolerance test because it interconvert into glucose and mannose, and they have the aldehyde functional group. So fructose gives the positive tolerance and failing test. Positive tolerance test. Mole's test for carbohydrate. Test of carbohydrate, that is Mole's test. Carbohydrate gives, suppose glucose, fructose, that is carbohydrate, that is suppose glucose, or another, in presence of concentrated H2SO4. Anything. It gives beta-naphthol also. It gives purple color dye. That is, it forms the dye. You can also add this. Actually, first it converts into